pump is an energy efficient machine, an energy efficient technology. We think that we should make heat pumps the preferred heating technology in Europe. Heat pumps is a proven technology, energy efficient and cost efficient. Heat pump technology and ambient heat will, after all, take the major part to solve our energy problems of the future.
But what about for the consumer? What's in it for them?
Living comfort. We have been using a lot of technical terms to explain what a heat pump does and how good it is, how efficient it is, what it can do. But in the end, for the consumer, it brings you comfort. I have a heat pump. Personally, it's in the house. We never recognize it. It makes hot water. It makes the rooms warm. We have a floor heating. It's very comfortable. My family likes to run barefoot. Do they ask for the heating system? No. It's just there. It does the job.
The concept of a heat pump city, it might sound like a bit of a pipe dream, but it actually is and can be a reality. You know, if you look at a lot of cities, you have a lot of heating and cooling requirements, and you can envisage a scenario where you'd have commercial, residential, industrial applications using energy sources such as rivers, the air. They'll be using sewage systems, tunnels, underground systems for their energy sources to heat and to cool buildings, and to be used for industrial processes, you know, in a city.
So the first thing I would like to explain, we talk about eco-design, so I'd like to explain the schedule.
That will certainly affect the heat pumps, the eco-design for energy reusing.
Heat pumps in the commercial buildings are a well-established technology because they are able to match comfort to the users, energy saving at a sustainable global cost. Very often operators and investors are not really aware of this technology. That's why we guess as a company that this kind of forum, these kind of events are one of the best ways to boost the information on heat pumps and their benefit.